Hey guys, hi, Akash Sharma here from Traders Guide Live. Guys, many people are complaining regarding like how to remove the values and arguments which are provided over here. You can see these are the arguments and these are the values which are there on the chart in mobile as well as desktop. How to hide or remove this and clear the chart. You can see here I have applied two indicators which is my premium indicator which I'm selling. So Ravan screener indicator, you can see the values and arguments are coming over here. Here the below supporting indicator, the values and arguments are coming over here. So how to remove it, that we'll discuss in this video in mobile as well as desktop. First we'll discuss how you can remove this from the desktop. For that you have to just click on the chart, right click, then go to the settings part. Once you go to the settings part, you will find these options, right? Symbols, status lines, scales and lines and all. You have to go to the status line, right? There you will find indicator, titles, arguments and values. Once you uncheck these arguments and values, the details will be removed. You can see these are the arguments and these are the values. Once you uncheck it, the details will be removed. This settings is specifically for system, laptop or desktop, right? And then press OK. Whatever changes you do on the chart, make sure you click on the save button. You can see here Akar index, this is my name, my layout. Once you click on save button, it will automatically save on the chart, right? Make sure you do any changes in the system, click on the save button. After that, whenever you open the same chart, the settings will be as saved as earlier. Okay, so I'm just clicking on this settings part, save part. Okay, now how you can remove this on mobile. We'll discuss how you can remove this on mobile, right? So now for mobile, you can see once you open the chart in mobile, you will find this settings option below, right above the menu section. You have to click on the settings part and go to the more settings. You can see here more settings. Once you click on more settings, you will default in any of the tab. You can see here these are the tabs. You will find one back option over here. You have to click on this back option. Right here you will get, right now I'm a system, but in mobile you will get a back option. Once you click on back option, you will find this all the option. You have to go to the status line, right? And as I told in system as well, you have to uncheck arguments and values for mobile and just click on OK, right? And make sure you save the chart. Once you save the chart, the data will be saved. Okay, and once you reopen in your mobile, and the settings will be as default. You can save the layouts, right? If you do not know how to save the layout in mobile, I'll make up the video and come share in the description. Okay, thank you, thanks for your time, thanks a lot.